So you just bought the new Apple Watch Series 6, or you picked up a nice deal on the previous Series 5, or you're still considering a new Apple Watch. The last thing you want is a scratch on your new watch. So yeah, it's a really nice watch, right? It's a beautiful piece of tech. But the last thing you want is a scratch on it, or any bump or knocks. But at the same time, you don't want to have a screen protector that takes away from this beautiful look, this nice lush feel. And after trying a few things, I found a protector that really makes a big difference. And it doesn't take away from the lush feel of the Apple Watch. You have to really look closely into the watch to realize that there's a protector in it. So this protector works for both 42 and 44 mil sizes of the Apple Watch. And I'll show you how to achieve a perfect installation. It's a little tricky, which is why I did this video for you, to help you take step by step how to do the installation. Okay then, so let me show you how to install the screen protector. In the box itself, you get lots of goodies. You get all the cleaning stuff to prepare the watch, first of all. Dust absorbers, 6 of them. Nice little cloth to clean it. Some alcohol prep pads, all important. Squeegee, that will come later. These rings as well, these rings, you will definitely need them for the installation. And then inside these little pouches, you get the actual screen protector itself. All right, so step number 1 is obviously to remove your watch. Remove the straps, the Apple bands. Then you're just left with the watch itself. If you've got like a very nice finish to your desk that you don't want to be damaged, I would recommend you do that on top of a laptop, or you could use the top of a tablet. In my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the desk itself. So the reason I'm saying that is because these stickers here, the foams on these are very strong. So when you take that out and stick to your desk, the paint might come off. So that's why you might want to use something else like a laptop or a tablet. Right, for step number 2, we're going to need one of these alcohol prep pads. So clean it all around it. Make sure that you cover the edges as well, just as well as the front. Once you've done that, the next step is to use the microfiber cloth to clean the face and dry out the alcohol. Then the final cleaning step is to use this dust absorbers. So just simply remove the sticker, peel it off like that. Then holding the tab, just do that a few times. That removes any lint or dust that you might have picked up. Again, cover all the edges. Next step is take the screen protector itself and take it out of this sleeve. Okay, so once you've taken it out of the sleeve, watch for the tab numbers. You've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what you want to do is peel off tab number 1. It goes downwards, like so. Try to hold it on the side so that you don't touch any of the protector. So with tab number 1 removed, you can put it on top of your watch, like so. If you're not happy with the position, you can remove it. You can do this step as many times as you need until you're happy with the positioning. You can use the squeegee as well to remove any bubbles at this stage, just quickly. You're not actually applying the protector at this point, so don't worry too much about this step. Okay, so once you've done that, this is a very simple step. With the squeegee, place it on this dotted line in the middle of the protector and pull out tab number 2, and you will see a little bit of it comes off already. You can see that. At that point, push the squeegee up towards the end of the screen, and that tab number 2 is removed. And then you're going to repeat the process, but this time doing tab number 3. So place the squeegee in the middle and pull up 3 until a little bit comes out, and then the same thing, just push the squeegee down towards the end of the screen. Very easy, just come out again. All right, so now all you're left with is tab number 4. Let's do another quick application of the squeegee just to make sure that it's removed any air bubbles from it. Now you can see why it needs to be secured to the desk. At this point, you don't really want the watch to be moving around. So this is the final step. Once you're happy that there's no air bubbles, you can just remove number 4 very gently so that you don't remove the actual protector. There you go. So at this point you will see that the actual protector has edges still not stuck to it. So using just your fingers, you can just simply do this. Push it all down. And that's it. That's done. Just make sure you smooth all the edges. There's nothing, no tabs or anything like that coming out. And that's it. Now you can remove it from that. And that's it. You can barely notice it. And from a feel perspective, it's almost unnoticeable. I mean, it really is amazing in terms of the touch. It feels fairly unnoticeable. But what it gives you is the peace of mind that it's not going to get any scratches. That's it. This screen protector saved my wallet more than once, guys. I wear my watch every day, working, playing sports, running, cycling, and sometimes it does get knocks. And as a result of these knocks, and sometimes even small scratches, I've had to reapply the protector a few times, but that's a much better situation than having a damaged screen, right? I'm only talking about scratches and minor knocks here, guys. I'm not talking about, if you take a hammer to the watch, it's not going to help you there, But if you walk into a tight space sometimes and you knock, brush past a wall or a bike or whatever it might be that you knock it, this screen protector is perfect for those situations. And finally, as I said, the protector will work for Apple Watch Series 6, Series 5, and previous versions as long as they are 42mm or 44mm versions, okay? And now here's another giveaway for you. As promised, when I reach my first 100 subscribers on YouTube, I will do a giveaway, so here it is. I'm giving away the USB microphone that I've reviewed a few weeks ago. You can do quite a lot with this USB microphone. As you can see in my review, you can use it for podcasting, you can use it for gaming, streaming, or just simply creating videos on YouTube. As you can hear in that video, it's an amazing USB microphone. For the price, it's perfect. So I'm giving it away because I've got other microphones, just to say thank you for helping me build this, at the moment quite small, but very nice community around the channel. Very important, okay? You don't have to subscribe to win. I'll never ask you to do that. All I ask is that, as a small content creator, just want to raise awareness of my channel, that you do check my channel and if you subscribe if you do like what you see. I'm going to be creating quite a lot of cool content around tech. We also have a podcast, so check that out. I'll be doing tutorials, live streams. So you might want to stick around, subscribe if that sort of thing is what you like. And right, good luck on the giveaway. Link is in the description. As always, I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one.